Quality, expertise, technology, sustainability. All these qualities come together in one place in the Netherlands. In the world's largest collection of flower and plant farms, generations of expertise passed down, combining the authenticity of the past with the innovations of the present. At the center of these farms lies the world's largest flower and plant auction. From its heart, with over 30 years of experience in exporting flowers and plants, we handpick the finest flowers and plants at the best prices. And with logistical expertise and professional partners in road and air transport, we guarantee the delivery of flowers and plants with the best quality, no matter where you are in the world. Flora Season, your partner in growth.